Welcome to RE/MAX 365 Unit 16, specifically set up for agents to be the most productive and profitable. On the right here will be the new office for privacy. On the left is the main bull run area. We have complete Wi-Fi setup, direct link to the printer for all marketing materials. Further in the back, this is where all of our trainings are held at the conference table. We offer by far the absolute best mentorship program and training in the industry. And on top of that, we believe our agents deserve to keep more of the money and commissions that they earn. This is why you should call us today, 908-923-4538. to learn more about the highest commission splits in all of New Jersey. Or you can reach us by email, remax365nj@gmail.com. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.